Hello everyone. I'm going to share with you today a quick tip that you might find handy and useful for you if you have Firestorm viewer. So in Firestorm they have included like an AO for you to use. It's a built-in AO, so you can use this built-in your panel to load your animations. It will be beneficial for you if you have so many attachments. You might have a chance to reduce these attachments slots by one, so you're gonna save slot for not adding your own AO HUD when you wear it. So this is a quick way to make your own. So if you have an AO that is modifiable and you have some animation inside it that you like, you can go to like your own land with you have full permission and full control to res the AO on the ground and unpack the AO animation, and it's gonna be loaded in your inventory. Then once you have them in your inventory, you can drag them and drop them in the AO section in the Firestorm viewer. They have included videos to how to do so in and Firestorm support, but I'm gonna go through like from my understanding and the quick way to do so. So I'm gonna show you the actual look from what I'm having here. So you can actually load multiple animation overriders if you like, and you can name them whatever you want. For right now I'm just saving my name with video recording. I don't want my Avi to be moving around much, so that's what I did. I just copied and pasted the animation that I want to have it on my avatar while I record a video. So I just drag them from my inventory and just drop them inside this box. So I just go through here to create one. I'm gonna show you like if I added a moving animation like a dance or so, you simply going to have to do that by if you like to make that dance inside the actual one here, they have the option to do so, but I don't see any dancing here and this drop menu. So you can see the standard stuff: walking, running, sitting on the ground, crouching, crouch walking, landing, soft landing, and so on. So these are the categories that you have the ability to just take the animation that you have unpacked, and just throw it inside each category that matches its properties. Like if you are flying, like hovering and stuff like that, or swimming, you can just go inside here and just pick the animation. So your avatar is going to perform these animations while doing so. If they are standing, they're gonna be going through the standing animation. If they are walking, it's going to be the same thing. You will load the walking animation inside here, and you will find it in your inventory. Normally when you take out the animation from the HUD, they are categorized and they are named, so it's not going to be a trouble for you. Like this is one, you're going to exactly match the same name in your inventory. Like this is a stand one, so you'll understand one. This is Vista animation and is shortened with VA, Vista animation handstand. So you understand this has some kind of stand, but the animation for the hand as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do a dance one. So you open up the AO and just click the plus sign. It's gonna ask you to name it. I'm gonna name it dance and hit OK. It's gonna take a while to load here, reloading, configurations. Gonna create a new AO for me that I have just did, and just I call it dance here. So I don't care which category now. I just gonna drag some animation I have, dancing animation from Move, and it was free, so I'm just gonna show you a quick demo how it looks like. So you just drag it and drop it in here by clicking on your right and left mouse button and just dragging and dropping it inside. So once you have done so, you will notice my avatar is just dancing, since this is going to be like the animation that I have selected. If I switch it back to my video recording animation, I can just simply hit reload, and you notice I'm just standing here again. I'm not doing any dances at all. So quick way to recap: you're just going to open up your AO, click on the plus sign. If you want to delete the AO you have created, you're just gonna click on the recycle bin, just click plus sign, just name it whatever you like. Then you can set it either the default or not. Override sits, that's when you're just on a seat trying to sit down. Your AO sometimes glitches, so you enable this kind of thing to make your AO. This is like more an AI part that understands that you are sitting actually, so it's not gonna be playing the animation that might ruin the looks of your on the seat. Is gonna take the animations exactly from the furniture you're sitting on. Be smart as well, so this is the feature that you need to enable to make sure it's going to understand that you are trying to sit or on a sitting position. So this is going to save you from the glitch I told you about. Then disable stands in mouse look. Well, I haven't seen much of this feature, but I understand these two. And then you just go to the drop menu here. You can pick category to just add the animation that you have unpacked inside your inventory from a folder that you have, and just drag it and drop it to which category that suits these animations. And then you have the order. From here you can just arrange the order of these animation if you want them to go in sequence starting from the first one to the bottom, or if you want to switch places between the animations. This is the arrow key you can play with. Then you have the cycle here. You can choose how many seconds for this animation to occur. So you can just pick that, and just you can set the time for how many seconds you want the animation to go. And also with the same thing, if you can delete. So this is the recycle bin that deletes only the selected animation that you have here. You can just gonna stand and just throw it in the pen. It's gonna be taken off. So it's a quick way to just organize, pick whatever you like, have the set of animation that you want only to be loaded. You don't have to deal with every single animation that goes inside your AO HUD. You might not like some of these animations, so this is a way you can just manually pick and choose whatever you want and add it only, so you can just have your own animation played. So reload, it's gonna be reloading the if there's no selection here. If I hit reload here, it's gonna like do it again and just okay. So I'm just going to reload, or just try to pick which animation I want to start with and hit reload. So it's just like reset for you. And randomize order. So if I selected the randomize order, is gonna go randomly inside these animation, not in order. So this is a way to animate your avatar as well. So just quickly, I'm gonna show you the dance I have made and reload it, and there you go. So the animation is going to be using this dance. So as it's highlighted, that's how I know I have chosen this animation to run to be the one. And you have also the default section, but this is I use only for my default AO. I'm not setting these animation for the video or the dance as default. I only set it for the other one I made here. So you see this is the default one. It has more stuff. I'm just gonna show you the sitting animation for override sits and be smart. Alt Control S, and you will see that sitting is gonna be picked out of one of these animations. So if I'm just gonna reload it here, sometimes it glitches like that, stands up and everything. So just gonna go sit back. So I'm just gonna switch to whichever animation that I want. Okay, so this is sitting on the ground, so I'm just gonna show you these are the right one, not the other ones. So you can see I have lay down here, or just yoga position. I found it funny to include other sitting animation that I have, and you can use it. It's gonna be picked randomly as I set the randomize order. So if I just hit the sit down key on the ground, it's gonna pick one of these animation randomly and just use it. So this is how you just use it. Simple. And in their website they have gone through each step of the way to how to use their AO here. So you have to include it two methods, and they are talking to you how the HUDs, the AO HUDs they work with, Zaho format or the other format they support, and you have each step how to do it. But the simple and easy way was the method number 2, I think, that you just can drag and drop the AO on the ground, and you manually just select the animation that you want from your inventory once it's just unpacked in your inventory, and just drag them and drop them inside the HUD. This is the inventory here, and this I'm just gonna minimize here and show you. So this is how it looks like from the inventory. You're just gonna drag and drop the selected animation inside the standing one. You rename the AO the name you like, and you're just gonna play with the shuffle and just sort it the way you want, and that's all you need to look for. They have included some videos in their channel for Firestorm support. You might find them helpful to watch, also along with my tutorials. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching.